2, 1. Hey boys, what's I accidentally hit stop on that. No. Yeah, I accidentally hit stop on that last video. So if you haven't watched that video already, go watch it. But hey boys, today I'm back with another firework video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share it to your friends and turn on the notifications so you can see whenever I post. But oh well, if you guys haven't seen the first part of the fireworks, you should go over there and watch that, because I accidentally pressed end video. So you guys should probably go watch that first to get caught up on what's going on. But oh well. Alright, well, back to the fireworks if you've seen part 1. Yeah, oh yeah, by the way,
Big one.
if you were watching part 1, you'd know this already, but I'm currently on the hood of the car. So
Look how huge it is.
yeah, that one's big. By the way, lots of them in part 1 touched the ground. So yeah. Oh, that one's like going on and off. Well, that video almost got to like 10 minutes, so we don't need that one because it's too long.
Red, white, and blue.
Yeah, red, white, and blue. But if you guys don't want to go watch part 1, you don't have to. Just stay around for part 2. And just chill out with me here.
One, two, three.
Woo. All right, red, white, and blue. Oh, that's cool. By the way, the one that was part 1 had a really good beginning, so I'm wondering how it's gonna end.
Whoa.
Meteorites. By the way, I call the ones that fall to the ground meteorites. Yep. Ooh, pink.
That one kind of gutted.
Failed firework.
That one's kind of a dud.
I think this one might be the finale. This actually might might be the finale. Oh, there was a failed one that just fell right to the ground. Oh my God!
Right.
I think it made the camera colorblind. Oh no. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm laying down on the windshield right now for this. Oh my God, I'm sliding down the hood. Oh my, good riddance. Good riddance. Good riddance. That's a good finale. Oh my, yes. Woo! Woo! Oh, that's not it. Let's go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Now this is a good finale. Oh, gunshots, gunshots! Yeah, these are making it day.
Holy cow.
Oh my God. Woo! Let's go! That was lit!
Amazing.
If anybody needs to use the restroom, Denise,
Man, that stuff was lit. That stuff was lit. And you know what I mean? That stuff was lit. But, alright, well, sadly it's over. But make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.
Where?
Oh, it's all the way over there. There's still fireworks. There's still fireworks all the way over there if we want to drive. We driving to more fireworks.
No. It's going down that way.
Ah! Oh goodness! Don't kill my leg. Alright, well that's it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. See ya. Bye guys.